Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with some glam DIY Christmas ideas. This video is sponsored by Cricut, and today I'll show you how to use the Cricut Explore Air tool to create some beautiful holiday pieces for your home. If you want to see how I put all this together, just keep on watching. The first thing that I do with all of my Cricut projects is to go into my Cricut design space and look at all the amazing designs they have. Here I am looking for the word hope to put on my Christmas ornament, and after finding the one that I like, I am just going to measure it to make sure that it fits my ornament perfectly. After sizing it, I always like to go up and change the color to make it clear so that when I move it over onto my measuring mat, as you see me doing here, it is clear for me to see without any hindrances. And after placing it on my measuring mat, I'm just going to go ahead and select some options to get ready for cutting. Here I am choosing premium vinyl, and then I'm just going to hit that start button to initiate the cutting process on the machine. Here you'll see that I've chosen my material for cutting, and I am just going to hit that flashing arrow to feed it into the machine. Make sure that it goes in properly, and then I will hit the start button and the cutting will start to take place. After cutting my letters, what I'm doing here is I am weeding so that I can see the word that was cut by the machine, and I'm just going to tug on it a little bit here side to side, and you can see there that the letters are starting to show, and I'll just gently continue to do that with my weeding tool until all the excess fabric or material is gone. And just like that, guys, we're now ready to use our transfer tape to lift the letters from that paper so we can get ready to place it on our ornament. Before attempting to lift, guys, I'm just going to use my tool here from Cricut to smooth it out to make sure that everything adheres well to the transfer tape before lifting it off. And look at that magic taking place right in front of our eyes. Absolutely amazing. Today I'm using this beautiful iridescent ornament that I picked up at HomeSense. It was a pack of 4 for $9.99, or you can use the clear ones from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to place the transfer tape on the ornament, making sure that it's straight and it's placed exactly where I want it. And after doing that, I'm going in again with my handy little tool from Cricut to smooth it out to make sure that my transfer is perfectly done. And here we are, guys, last step, and this is the moment of truth. I'm going to start peeling back the transfer tape. Take a look at that, and yes, the word hope is perfectly transferred to the ornament. Isn't that beautiful? And here they are, guys. They are absolutely adorable. I made 4 of them, and I even added bows. Me, your girl, added bows, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they look like on the tree. And here they are, guys, absolutely beautiful. Each one displayed in all of its glory, just adding that extra life and that beauty to my Christmas tree. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these beautiful ornaments and if you would make some using your Cricut machine. I got so excited after seeing how the ornaments turned out that I went back to Cricut Design Space to make some more projects. Here I've chosen a snowflake. I'm going to do it as an everyday iron-on, so I'm selecting that. I usually choose more so that the cut is much more intense. Hit my start button and take a look at the snowflake. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous. I will be transferring this snowflake onto this IKEA pillow cover. And I usually pick a bunch of these up when I go to the IKEA. They're like $4.99. This one is called the Girly and it's 20 by 20 inches. Before ironing it on, I'm going to use my Cricut ironing board and I'm just going to place it inside of the pillow cover. That way nothing goes through and it is ironed on perfectly just to the side that I'm working with. Here I'm just making sure that I have it straight enough and that it's centered on the pillow cover, and then I'm going to go in with my Cricut Easy Press. Please be guided by the ironing instructions in Cricut for your materials. After letting it cool for a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and peel away that film. And again, guys, this is so gratifying. And take a look at my snowflake. It is absolutely beautiful. Now let's go ahead and style it. And here it is, guys, displayed on the sofa in my office. I just did this little look up to show you what it looks like. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The red is popping and it is just perfect. I am so happy with this project that guess what? I went ahead and did some more. Take a look at this one. Now this one I'm using another IKEA pillow cover and I got me a sleigh with all the glitter and all the glam. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, you know I'm going to say absolutely beautiful 100 times. Just say it along with me. This is absolutely beautiful. The amount of things that you can do with the Cricut machine, endless. Possibilities are endless. Guys, guess what? I still didn't stop there. Remember my miniature Christmas tree? Well, let's just say I went ahead and did a stocking for it with the word bride written right down the side. Isn't that beautiful? Now listen, guys, I just went all over the place, just so excited with my Cricut machine and the amount of projects and little items and how I can personalize my stuff. I did not want to stop. I was having way too much fun using my Cricut Explore Air 2. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know how you have enjoyed these beautiful DIYs. I will also leave you some information in the description box below about Cricut as well as a link to make your purchase. Now listen guys, I have so much coming up, so please stay tuned and make sure your notification bells are engaged. It's the holiday season and I will have a lot of content. You don't want to miss anything. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I do really appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to stay with us and join the Glamorous Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all of my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.